access the lecture timetable as a GIMPA student. And so I go to my web browser, I open a new one, and then I type my GIMPA URL. Once you are at the GIMPA website, you go to the quick links. So that's the quick links. And I select the lecture. There are a number of things here, but I want the lecture and exam schedule. So I select. Right click, will select it. And then I come to the manager. Depending on the campus where you are, you can be in Accra, Kumasi, Tema, or Takoradi. Let me say I'm at Tema. So I select Tema campus. Take a few seconds to load. And then I select the course. Now I will need my program codes and other information. Now down here you can find back to campus if you want to go and select a new campus. You can see how to use the portal by clicking on how to use. You can check the meaning of the block codes here. That these are the list of blocks. So you can just, if you want what A1 stands for, A2 stands for, you can come back here and go and check. Now here A1 stands for semester 1 September intake. So if I'm a fresher or if I'm admitted to a 4-year program in September and it starts in September, then that should be a September intake. If it's a February admission window, then that should be a February intake, as you see down here. But this is semester 1, and so semester 1, the corresponding code is A1. Once I know my code, I go to the got it, and then I click come back to my portal to do the selection. So now I go to my block. I'm in block A1, and then the program code is GBSBA. All right, and then the level, the semester is selected by default. Then the level is level 100. So I select. So that is my timetable that populates. You may want to scroll here to see if you want to see a specific day, time schedule, or timetable. Now with this, what I do is that I come to the select. I can just select a few that I want, or I can select all if I want to select all, just by clicking on this, select all, and select all. Right, so deselect all. Now I can also select a few. So if I want this, I can select this and that. Now as you select, you note the changes. This button opens up here, download mini timetable. Now the mini timetable will be shown below. So that's the mini timetable. So if you click on the download, it will download the timetable that was shown. Now let me just select all and see. Okay, so I have selected all. Once I've selected all, I'll click on download mini timetable, and it downloads. All right, so you can view it, shows up right here. So that's what I just did. Now once you have this, you can also come back later if you want to see the exam schedule. So by clicking on this, if you click on this, it takes a few seconds to load, and there you go, you have your exams timetable as well. So you go to the same process to do your selection. Now let's move back. Suppose that you want to go back to the lecture timetable, just click on the same spot to get the lecture timetable, and that's how it works. If you want to select your schedule as a lecturer, suppose I am Dr. Yantechi and I want to know my schedule, I just go to the search button, I click, and then I type my name, Yantechi. So Yantechi is teaching just one program here in Yantechi. All right, so you just here, that is selected. Now if you are teaching a number of courses, you will see a number of courses that you have the option to select. So you click on the select all, it will show up, and then you can also download and visualize your schedule as a lecturer. Thank you very much.